Hi everyone, here we've got LG Velvet and let me show you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's begin with opening the settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose the system. And here we've got restart and reset. On the very first position we've got network settings reset, so let's click on this. And now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. If you are ready, click on reset settings, confirm the whole step with your pattern or pin, and if you are ready again, click on reset settings. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully, and that's all. This is how you reset network settings in your LG Velvet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.